Hello kids. So this is our EVS class, and in today's EVS class we are going to do chapter 8 safety. Yes, we are going to do safety on road. Okay. So open up your workbook, page number 23. Okay, EVS workbook, page number 23. Now look, this is a picture of a road, a busy road with so many cars, okay, buses, buildings, vendors, and who is this? Yes, traffic policeman uncle. Okay, so now let's see what we have to do in this activity, in this chapter. Yes, we have to spot the hazards. Hazards means dangerous things. Okay, what are the hazards? What are the dangerous things, dangerous activities we should not do on the road? We should not do at all on the road. Okay, so now spot the hazards. Circle all the unsafe activities in the picture. Okay, so you can see this is a busy road. Okay, this is a busy road, and what are the activities we should not do on the road? We have to circle that. Okay, so let's see now. What is this? This is a boy. This boy is playing on the road with the ball. Should we play on the road with the ball? No, never. So this is an hazard activity. So you will have to circle it. Okay. Now this is a dog running on the street. Should a dog run on the street? No. So you have to circle this also. Okay. Now what you can see, there are so many cows and cow baby calf. They are also present on the road. Should cow be on the road? No. If cow is going to be there on the road, there is going to be traffic. So this is also hazardous. The cow should also not be there on the road. Okay, so circle this also. Now tell me, what else can you see? This uncle. This uncle is moving in between the road. He is walking in between the road. Should we walk in the middle of the road? No, we should always use zebra crossing. We should always cross the road on the zebra crossing. So this uncle is also walking in the middle of the road. So this is also not safe. This is also an unsafe activity. Okay. Now tell me, can you see any other unsafe activity? Yes, this uncle. This uncle, is he wearing helmet? Is he wearing helmet? No, this uncle is also not wearing helmet. So this is also an unsafe activity. We should always wear our helmet while moving on a two-wheeler. Okay. Now tell me, is there any unsafe activity? Yes, this uncle. This uncle is moving on the side of the road. Okay, we should never walk on the side. We should walk on the pavement. Okay, we should walk on the pavement of the road. Okay. Now tell me, is there any other unsafe activity? Tell me. This uncle is sitting in the car